good to see you again. This week we're talking about moms, how to celebrate mom, because Mother's Day is next Sunday. So one thing that I like to do to celebrate my mom is take a nature walk, because we love being outside and seeing all the gifts that God made for us. So I went to a place called Cameron Park in Waco today, and they have some amazing trails. And so I want to take you on a little trip with me on my trail. I've seen some bridges, some water. I saw one lizard, some flowers, lots of neat things. It's something you could do with your mom. Take a nature walk. See you next time. Bye. Here's some buttercups I can pick. A fun trick to play on mommy is to have her smell down in the yellow part of the buttercup and it gets pollen on your nose. Do you recognize this flower? It's the state flower of Texas, the bluebonnet. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all that flowers. Look, a neat little bridge. Let's see what it crosses. Let's see. Ooh, no water here. Here's bridge number 2. Look, it has a number 2 on it. Let's see what we see. Vines, no water. No number on this bridge, but I'm calling it a bridge. Here I go. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if you can see this lizardy snake. Ugh, that's weird. You see it? Can you poke a stick so maybe it'll move?
Zoom in on it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at it. It's so weird. Miss Emily has no idea what that is. Okay, bye. Look what I found. The number 3 bridge. I don't know what I was on. Maybe just part of the path. Okay, do we see water? No water. Here's the number 4 bridge. Number 4. Okay, let's see what we find. Whoa, that's really deep. No water. Think we'll ever find water? Let's see if there's water. Nope. What do you think this sign means? I think it means you can't ride a horse through here. What do you think? Yep, I think you're right. Look what I found. Water. No bridge though.
Empty. Don't drink it all.
Found the kids. Hi kids.
Yeah, Dad has the backpack.
Look what Mr. Jimmy found. It's a big tree. Oh my gosh. Where do you think the top is? That's so far up there. That's pretty. Okay, I'm beginning to think these people don't know how to count. Because now we're back to a 3 bridge, but look how long it is. And guess what I'm walking over? You think those are little lily pads? And water. There's another view of the beautiful water right next to a bridge. What number is this bridge? 2. And guess what? There's water. There's a big pipe right there. I wonder where that goes. Look, I'm gonna walk right over this pipe. I'm on the bridge. And here's this pipe right here. Wonder what it is. Look at this. There's little trucks coming through here.
He said it would.
Yeah, I said it would.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. Never thought I'd see this today.
Crawl that thing.
Oh yeah.
Fun.